I've seen a lot of films where the score is like a piece in the background, or you're not supposed to notice that it's making you feel something, but I don't like that. I feel like I'm being manipulated, or sometimes I like it in other people's movies, actually, a lot. I just didn't want it in mine, you know?
Yeah.
And so I wanted the score to be its own character in the film. Like you coming in, playing that tiny little piece of piano is an integral part of the end of the film.